Good evening, everyone. Today we learn sketch the graph of y equal x power 2 minus 6x plus 4. Then checking it by using technology and find where the line y equal to x plus 1 cut this quadratic curve, and checking your answer by using technologies. So I leave 2 minutes for you to code this question down before I explain. Thank you. Alright, now I start to explain you how to solve this question. First, we concentrate on this quadratic equation. We have a let it equal y1 equal to x power 2 minus 6x plus 4. So we can see the common coefficient of this equation is 2. We take number 2 out. So at this state, we see this number here and this. What is the two numbers? Give the sum equal minus 3 and their product is positive 2. The two number is minus 2 and minus 1, because minus 2 and minus 1, so the sum of minus 2 and minus 1 give us minus 3 there, and the product of there is 2 right here, there. You see it? So therefore we factorize this equation equal y1 like that. So we can observe on the top here, when x equals 0, y equal 4. So we can draw the set of axis, x-axis and y-axis. So we can see when x equals 0, the y-intercept equals 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The y-intercept right here. The y-intercept. And because this coefficient a is the range 0, therefore we know the graph open upward. Correct? And the x-intercept equal 1. Example we have y1. Yeah. At this step we forget number 2 here. So if we have a x minus 2 times for x minus 1 equals 0. So therefore this equals 0 or that equals 0. If this equals 0, so x minus 2 equals 0. Therefore x equals 2. And similarly, if this factor equals 0, therefore x equals 1. So x-intercept 1 here and 2 there. You see it? So that you sketch this graph. So therefore we have 1 here and 2 there. So the x-intercept equals 1 and 2. And the graph open upward. Therefore, we draw by freehand something like that. So I draw another one for you to see. The one we have like that for you to see clearly. On y, on x. So the one, 2, 3, and 4. The y-intercept equals 4, and the x-intercept equals 1 and 2. It's better, and then you connect. The graph must pass this point. Like that. So this graph, it means y1 equal 2x power 2 minus for 6x product for 4. So we can set up our window because that one only 1, 2, so we may set up here 5 or 6 from the origin, go to the right direction, 5 or 6 interval. The other side maybe 4 or 5. And above here from the origin, we can set up our window. That one may be 10 for us to see. And down here may be 5. So we set up window minus 4 x, the one maybe we set up 7 scale 1, the one for x, and for y we have a minus 4, the one the y axis, That one will be 10. We scale 1. So this, it means we have S mean from the origin. Like that. We have 1, 2, 3, minus 4. Go to the left direction. Go to the right direction. We have a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, something like that. And with Y AC, number 10 on the top, positive, we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 10. There, at the bottom, 1, 2, 3, minus 4, something like that, for set up with your window. Okay, now, this is technology. We turn on. You see this door there. Now we set up the window right here. Window. Press that one. S minimum, it means from the origin, go to the left direction, minus 4, minus 4, there. S maximum, we set up 7, we go down here, 7, and scale 1, we leave it there. Now, with Y minimum, it means from the origin go down, we set up about minus 4, we have to use that one, minus. Don't use that one, use this one better. So we set up minus 4, and Y maximum, we leave a 10, there, we scale 1, then we enter, yeah, then we click there, we drag, so we have something like this. You can see it, minus 4, 7, up is 10, down is 4. Now, in order to sketch the graph, the quadratic equation y1 equal 2x power 2 minus 6x plus 4, you have to phrase here with the function. You phrase here. So that one y1. So we have 2x power 2, 2x power 2 right here, 2 minus 6x minus 6x and plus 4 plus 4. You see it? 2x power 2 minus 6x plus 4. Now we graph right here. You can see that's the graph of the curve. Now if we trace up, we trace right here, we trace right here, trace, yeah, trace here. So when the vertex is 1.5 and y is 0 minus 0.5, but we check up the y-intercept, we move So when x equals 0, y 4 point. With the calculator 4 point tail, it means x equals 0, y equals 4, and the x-intercept is 1 and 2 here. We go down. You can see x equals 1.03, it means 1, and we go here. There. Y equals 0.1 and x intercept equal 2. You see it? So the calculator so exactly like this. Now that we check up already, so it is correct. Now we have to find where the line y equal 2x plus 1 this curve. So we let this straight line y 2 equal 2x plus 1. And this line curve y1 equal 2x power 2 minus 6x plus 4, where y1 equal y2 so we balance both sides. So that one y1 2x power 2 minus 6x plus 4 equal 2x plus 1. Because the left hand side, the degree of x is higher than the right hand side, therefore we have to move any number on the right hand side go to the left hand side. So we have a 2x power 2 minus 6x. This jump from right to left become minus 2x plus 4, and this constant 1 jump from right to left become minus 1. So therefore we simplify this. We have 2x power 2 minus these 2 8x. That one we have a minus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 0. So now it gives us another quadratic equation, and we have a equal 2, b equal minus 8, that one is c. So we have to check up the discriminant. It means the delta. delta equal b power 2 minus for 4 I see. So we must check up this delta. We call discriminant, and as you know already, we have some case, 3 case, and another case. When delta greater than 0, so the graph curve the x-axis twice, yeah. The graph curve the x-axis twice, like this case. 2. When delta equals 0, the graph starts the axis. 3. When delta is smaller than 0, it doesn't cut the axis at all. And 4, if delta is perfect square, it means any number like perfect square. Example, delta equal 36, it means 6 power 2, something like that. Then the quadratic can be factored. So we have a 4 case like this. Now we must check the delta is in the discriminant. So in this case, b power 2 minus 4ac, b it means minus 8, so 8 power 2 minus 4, a it means 2, and c it means 3. So we have here 64 minus for 24, so we have 20. 20 is greater than 0, therefore we know the graph this cut the curve somewhere, yeah. Therefore we find h intersect with curve, so we have h equal minus b plus minus that would be 40, 64 minus 24, 40. Because my eye can see clearly 40, so that one we square root for delta, then we divide by 2i. That's the formula. Substitute the number in. We have a minus 8 gives us plus 8 plus minus square root of 40 divide for 2 times for 2, so give us 8 plus minus. So number 40 in this case we have a 4 times for 10 for there. Now we take our number 4 out of the square root side. So x equal then the common coefficient is 2. The one here 4 plus minus 10 close 4 there. So it equal, okay, now we cancel that one and that one give us 2. So we have x equal 4 plus minus square root of 10 only 2. Therefore, we have x1 and we have x2 so at this step we use our technology again, turn on. Okay, now we achieve this calculation. Alright, we do open round bracket for plus for square root, it means second, and square root side here, then insert number 10 in, close round bracket, close another one, and then we divide by 2. Enter. We enter here. The answer is equal 3.58. That take 1. 3.58. Or that we call x2 here. That one x1 there. It's better. Now x1 we clear, or we leave it there for us to see clearly. We have a open round bracket for another one plus. Now we do minus square root 10 second, square root here, and then 10. We insert 10 in, then we close, then we divide by 2 equal 0.42. You see, 0.42 round up here. So x1 is 0.42. Now we substitute these x1 and x2 into this straight line. There. Then we have a y2 equal as y2 equal 2x. X, it means this number (3.58) plus 1. Then we have 2 times 3.58 plus 1. It gives us y2 equal 8.16. So this we call point B. So we call this, it means point B. X equal 3.58 and the y coordinate is 8.16. That's the point. One. And we do the same thing for x1. We call, so that one it means y2